हेलो जेई 2026 एस्पिरेंट्स, बोर हो रहे हो, पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लग रहा है, टेबल पे बैठे हो, भूख खुली है, पता नहीं क्या क्या सोच रहे हो और मम्मी कमरे में अगर आ गई तो पेन की स्पीड डबल हो जाती है। अगर ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है तो टेंशन मत लो, ये क्वेश्चन बनाओ। आसानी से बना सकते हो, थोड़ी देर तक दिमाग ऑक्यूपाइड रहेगा और कर जरूर लोगे तो मज़ा भी आएगा। आओ देखते हैं आज का ये प्रॉब्लम। ये एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट है जिसमें ये एक आइडियल अमीटर है। सारे रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यूज़ आर हैं। सेल का ईएमएफ गिवन नहीं है। अमीटर जो कि आइडियल अमीटर है उसकी रीडिंग आई नॉट है। अब किसी ने इस आइडियल अमीटर को एक आइडियल वोल्टमीटर से रिप्लेस कर दिया। आइडियल अमीटर वाज रिप्लेस्ड बाय एन आइडियल वोल्टमीटर एंड यू हैव टू टेल what will be reading of that voltmeter. Give it a try. Here I am telling you the solution, but please think on it for a moment at least. The question is very straightforward. Because the question says that it is an ideal ammeter, so there is no resistance here. If you look at the diagram carefully, then potential difference between these 2 points is nothing but EMF of the cell. This is directly connected to positive terminal, this is directly connected to negative terminal. So current here is I naught as recorded by the ammeter, and the resistance is 2R. Ideal ammeter has no resistance. So obviously the potential difference between these two yellow dots is I naught into 2R, and this must be EMF of the cell. So EMF of the cell is I naught into 2R. Now if you replace this ammeter by a voltmeter, that too an ideal voltmeter, the ideal voltmeter will have infinite resistance. There cannot be current in this branch now. The current in this branch is absolutely zero after you have inserted a voltmeter. So obviously if there is no current here, then potential difference between these two yellow dots will be same as E. So this is the potential difference across the ends of the voltmeter. And what does the voltmeter record? It records the potential difference between its terminals. So what is the potential difference right now? This much. So what will be reading of voltmeter? This much. So this solves your problem. Have a nice day.